this is the right decision? Traditional masterminds don't serve founders at your level. This structured program does. What makes this the right move for you now? Cancel anytime. No contracts, no commitment traps. You stay because the structure is working for you, not because you're locked in. Immediate clarity and time return in your first week. Even one SOP or one workflow cleanup gives you hours back. A single 90-minute weekly rhythm replaces chaos. You don't need more time. You need structure that gives time back to you. Everything is designed to be simple, visible, and implementable. There are no complex systems, no overwhelming tech, no figure it out alone. The real risk isn't joining the council. The real risk is continuing to operate the way you are now. There is a VIP pay in full option for founders who want acceleration. If you choose the pay in full option, which is $6,000 a year, you unlock a full year of the Limitless Live Arena app.
Listen!